How to stream/watch DAZN with NordVPN. Note, this article is updated whenever Nord's configurations change. If you experience any sudden issues, you can review this post again for updated information. To ensure secure access to DAZN, you can connect to NordVPN servers optimized for that. This will allow you to enjoy popular video content from anywhere in the world. Here is how you can access DAZN with NordVPN. DAZN CA, connect to any server in Canada. Other regions are currently not supported, but we are constantly working on expanding the range of supported regions. If you are still experiencing issues, try following these additional steps. 1. Clear the cache of your browser. You can do that by following this article, https://nordvpn.com/blog/how-to-clear-your-cache. 2. Restart the NordVPN app. 3. Restart your device. 4. Try connecting through the NordVPN browser extensions for Chrome/Brave or Firefox. Warning, the NordVPN service should never be used to bypass copyright regulations. NordVPN does not promote, condone, or endorse the use of the service for such purposes. For more details, please read the NordVPN Terms of Service.